welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know this video is probably not great, the quality is not great. I didn't even get ready for this video, but I really want to talk to you guys because right now I feel like I have so much to say. Right now I'm on my feels and I feel like I had to talk to you guys because I just want to express so much. It's about weight loss and my journey. So if you guys don't know about me, I lost a lot of weight. I lost 100 pounds. Even though there's some people that have said, why do you keep on saying you lost 100 pounds, blah blah blah. And I don't care if you get upset that I say it so much, but I'm gonna keep on saying it because this is the biggest thing I've ever accomplished in my life and I'm very proud of, so I'm gonna keep on saying it. So yeah, I just want to really deeply talk to you guys about my journey. I know I've said things here and there, but I want to really inspire you guys and really let you know that you can really accomplish anything you want. The reason why I want to talk to you guys is because I have a coworker that we were talking about weight loss with my coworkers and, you know, some accomplishments that we made. And I always talk to people about my weight loss because that's something that I'm really proud of. One, I never do it to brag or to, you know, to make someone else feel bad. That's not what I try to do ever. And if I make videos for you guys, is because I really want to inspire you guys and I really want to show you guys all I know, because when I was in my weight loss journey, I had no help, I had no one. So I'm here for you guys if you are going through it. And we were just talking about our stories. I explained how my journey has been a roller coaster, a lot of ups and downs. I've lost the weight about 9 years ago or 10 years ago, and I've been maintaining for a very long time. Yes, I've had ups and downs. I've gained 25 pounds from when I lost 100 pounds. So my biggest, I was 231 and I got down to like 122, but I started developing a lot of eating disorders and I was afraid of food and my relationship with food was horrible. So I tried to reverse that. I did gain 25 pounds healthy weight because I did gain a lot of muscle and I'm really happy with my body now. I was just telling her like everything I went through and giving her my advice to, like, you know, be strict but don't overdo it, because sometimes we are too strict that we fall into an eating disorder without even knowing. Under eating is not good. I know it's common sense, well, the less I eat the more weight I'm gonna lose, but it doesn't really work like that. Most of the times you're just messing up your metabolism. So this girl, I showed her pictures of my before and after and she just started crying. And I just feel so bad because I guess she's been trying to lose weight. She's been trying to drink pills, shakes. Obviously, I'm not gonna say her name because I don't like to shame anyone, but I've always said it. You don't need any supplements, any pills, any shakes to lose weight. You can lose weight naturally. I know it sounds hard, but trust me, it's not hard. It's as simple as eating good, nourishing your body, and get going. You know, cut out that junk food. And it's not that bad. It's not that hard. Your body gets used to it. You start creating new habits, and that's what I told her. Don't really think about, oh my god, I'm gonna diet, I'm gonna restrict myself, I can't eat this anymore, I can't eat that anymore. Just change your lifestyle, change your habits, make new habits. If your problem is cutting down to soda or cutting down to sweets or, I don't know, eating out so much, start doing it slowly. Don't be so hard on yourself because you're gonna burn out and then you're gonna give up. I told you what helped me this time, because I in the past did try diet pills and, you know, try this diet and try this shake, and I would lose weight, yes, mostly because I was not eating enough. But then when I just gave up because I was so tired of it, I gained weight again, probably double of what I was. So what helped me this time, what I told her, what helped me this time is that I kept on going. I changed my lifestyle. Of course, at the beginning it was weird for me. Everything was just out of my normal and it was weird, but then my body started to do things naturally. It was my new lifestyle and I just didn't give up. If I failed one day, I got up the next day and I said no. If I quit, it's like I'm starting all over again. So I just kept on going and I just focused so much on me and wanting to change. One of the biggest things that helped me so much is that I was diabetic. I was considered diabetic. The doctor told me I had high cholesterol, I was on pills. So I was really scared. I was only 19 years old and for me it was something super scary, and I said no, you know what, that's it. Of course I was uncomfortable with my body. I always looked at myself in the mirror and cried. It was just exciting to do that change. And I was determined. I said, I'm gonna get as far as I can and I'm gonna push myself no matter what. I'm gonna keep on going. And of course I had times where I would just, you know, feel down and like I didn't feel like eating healthy and I didn't feel like working out. But then I would take that little break, 2-3 day break, and my mind would just tell me, no, like, keep on going. You gotten this far and you're not gonna give up now. So I'm just hoping that if you're watching this, I'm sure it's because you want to lose weight. Don't give up. I know looking yourself in the mirror right now is hard. It's hard to accept how far you've let yourself come to. I know it's really sad. Trust me, I cried a lot of times upset because I just let myself go and I just didn't care. And it's not only about how you look, but how you feel and how's your health and who are you affecting. If you have kids, they're looking up to you, they see what you eat, they see your lifestyle, and they're gonna follow that. So I really hope that you change your lifestyle. Do it for your health. That was my main focus. I was focusing on getting rid of diabetes and, you know, be healthy, and the weight just came off. And don't be in a rush. Like, take your time, learn new things, learn new recipes. Try to create recipes. Like, for example, if you're craving a burger, if you're craving pasta, try to find alternatives and make sure it's not boring, because if it's boring, I mean, no one's gonna last in a boring, you know, eating boring all the time. Try to make it fun. Try to go on walks. Again, for workouts, your nutrition is always more important than workouts. So just try and even go on walks or jogs or whatever is gonna make you happy. Lift weights, whatever you want to do. Make this lifestyle yours, make this journey yours, and don't follow anyone else. So if you want one more motivation and inspiration, go follow me on Instagram. I try to post as much as I can, what I'm eating, what I'm doing, what workouts I do, to help you guys and inspire you guys. And I want you to know that you don't need any surgeries, any pills, anything. You got it. You can do it on your own, and trust yourself, believe in yourself, and you're gonna do it. Take it day by day, set small goals, and you're gonna get to that big goal eventually. Just take it slow, relax. It's gonna happen. Always keep those people around you that are gonna support you, and whoever doesn't support you, it's fine. You know, like, this is your life and you choose who's in it and who's not. So I just wanted to rant a little bit and hopefully inspire you guys and turn that little light on in you and tell you that you can do it. I did it, and trust me that I was one of those that I never thought I would. I thought that was just how it was meant to be. And sadly, you know, me personally, I'm someone that I need to work to keep my body. And yes, I gain weight, and I don't care because I'm healthy. My mind's healthy, my body's healthy, I feel healthy, I have a good relationship with food, I don't struggle with eating disorders anymore, and I know I'm eating 80%, you know, healthy. I'm treating myself when I want to, and I'm happy. I got to a happy spot, and I want to stay here forever. I don't ever see myself, you know, eating out all the time like I used to, and just sitting in my couch the whole day. Now, like, my life is so much better. I feel happy, and just by feeling good, like, you can tell when someone feels good. And just do it for you. Don't do it for anyone else. Like I said, it sucks for me that because of my genes, because of me, like how I am, I can gain weight like this. And sadly, I have to work to keep it down. You know, like, this journey never ends. You're in the journey to lose weight, and then you have to learn how to maintain it and how to not create bad habits again, because it's really easy, but you have to work every day. And thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope I inspired you, and you got it. So I promise you it's gonna happen. Just take it slow and breathe every day. Do some meditation. I don't know, just find things that actually you enjoy and that don't feel like a punishment. Like I said, if you fall off track one day, or there's a birthday party and you ate cake, move on. It's fine, it's okay. Just keep on going with your healthy lifestyle. Don't burn yourself out, because you're gonna burn out and you're gonna want to quit. Okay, don't do it. Trust me, I've been there, I've been through it all. If you need online coaching, I am available. Please email me. Actually, I'm gonna leave my email down below. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Share it if it's gonna help anyone going through a weight loss journey or wanting to start but they're scared. Do it. Any questions or anything, please leave them down below or DM me on Instagram. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But remember to do what's right, not what's easy.